Hi friend, this is Mr. Vikas Rathi from Gurgaon, India. Today I will show my new software which is a CSV to XML generator. Now let's start. Click on Visual C Sharp, open my recent project, my XML writer. Click on Run button. This is the first tab of my application in which I need to fill details and as we click Save as XML button, this will save my details in XML format. Let's try. Title is Hotel Detail. Hotel name is Comfort Inn. Address is 2802 Street. City is CST. State is OK. Zip code is 73644. Country is USA. Description is best hotel for summer vacation. Facility is internet and free breakfast. Add here we need to fill single room price. Day is Monday. Date is 12 2010. Price is 108. Currency is USD. Here we will fill for double room. Date is same. Date is same. Price is different. 199. Currency is same. URL is this. URL. Image URL is this. Unique site ID is this. Now as we will click on Save as XML format button, this will save our hotel detail in XML format. Give file name. File name is Comfort in Save as XML. Congrats, your XML file is created and saved in local disk drive E. Okay, let's watch. Yes, Comfort in file is created in XML. Watch. Yes, all the information is in tag. Title in title tag, hotel name is hotel tag, name tag, address in address tag, city in city tag, all the information in tags. This software is very great if you want to make XML file for 1, 2 and 10, 10 and 50 hotel details. If you have, then you can make easily, very easily you can make XML file. But if you have 1000 and million hotel detail, this will be tough for you to make one by one in XML. So I have that solution. Close it, delete it, run again and click on next tab. This tab is used for make run, like continuous. This will make continuous for CSV to XML. Like if I have thousand or millions of detail in CSV format, this will make in XML automatically. Like I have 5 hotel detail: Holiday Inn, Hamptonian, La Quinta, Comfort Inn, and different address, different city, different state, different zip code, country, and yeah, description, facilities, date, price, and etc. Close it. Now upload this file in my application. Hotel information. Open. upload. All information from CSV is uploaded in my application. As I click on start run button, this will make XML of all files, all 5 files. Let's start. Click on start run button. Congratulations, complete. Your 5 XML file is created and saved in local disk drive E. Okay, let's see. Yes, all file is created. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's check. Now we will see this. Holiday, Hampton Inn, La Quintaine, Comfort Inn and Econology. All 5 hotels information is translated in XML. You can see and you can check. If you have thousand millions hotel information, you can make XML files of that in 2 or 5 minutes. This is very great software to make to translate CSV to XML, or one by one. If you have information, you can make one by one XML files. Thanks to watching my software. Thanks to all of you. Bye.